Jake Ludington here at HP Discover in Frankfurt, Germany. I'm here with Ken Wan, and the cloud team has announced a couple new offerings actually, but the first one we're going to talk about is CSA. What's new for CSA?
So CSA is our cloud management platform for customers who want to deploy a private cloud. And we just announced the latest version, CSA 3.1, and there's three really interesting things about it. First of all, we're supporting KVM with OpenStack. And OpenStack's a big strategy for HP because we think it's going to give customers this option to be able to deploy very low-cost cloud arenas. Because today people use VMware, and that's one of the big concerns, it's fairly costly. So OpenStack is a big deal for us. The second exciting thing about CSA is high availability. So we've re-architected it so that it's highly available. So regardless of if a failure happens anywhere in the entire stack, your cloud system keeps running. So that's great news too. And the third very exciting thing has to do with security. And we know that security is a big deal for anyone who's deploying cloud these days. And what we've done is we've updated CSA so that you can use it to deploy secure services with intrusion protection and virtual firewalls. And the way we do this is we integrate with our HP TippingPoint CloudArmour software so that we can provide a very secure cloud service as well as just the regular services.
So just to clarify, in the security space in particular, a customer would also have to have a TippingPoint solution already in their network in order to take advantage of that?
Or they would either already have it, or they could acquire it along with CSA. But that's the idea, is that so you can provide those complete secure services with your cloud system. That's right, with your cloud solution.
And what have you guys done to improve availability? Because I mean, you're talking high availability is of course important to everyone, but what are the improvements?
So what we did is we re-architected it so that we use Oracle RAC on the back end so you have a clustered database, and then we've also clustered the application layer with JBoss application clustering, and of course the web tier is by default high availability. So we have complete duplicity, high availability throughout the entire stack.
All right, and so the last piece is the KVM offering, which allows people to have kind of an alternative hypervisor to VMware and other solutions? That's
right. So KVM is a really important thing because it gives people that choice. You know, fundamentally, one of the big things that HP offers to customers is choice, is that flexibility. So to use different platforms, to use we've had support for VMware, we have support for Hyper-V. Now we're adding KVM, and that gives someone a low-cost open source solution or alternative to KVM or to VMware or Microsoft.
All right, well, thanks, Ken.
You're welcome, Jay.